Hello everyone, my name is Carla Calderon. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language setting of your Bitmoji extension. Go to the top right corner where these three dots are at. Let's click on there and click on Settings. A new tab will open and on your left you will click Advanced and then Language. Click on the symbol and click on Add Languages. Pick the language of your choice. I will be picking Spanish and click Add. Where it says English, click on the three dots and move down. On the language that you want your Bitmoji, select the three dots and display Google Chrome in this language. Click on Relaunch and give it a couple of minutes. You will see that this will restart your Google Chrome pages and you will see this option. Make sure you do not click this because otherwise it's going to open this other settings from your computer and you do not want to mess with this. So don't do what I did, okay? So see here, I just closed it out because it's not necessary. Now let's click on the Bitmoji extension. It's going to take a minute to load. And there it is. As you can see, it is in Spanish. If you would like to go back to the language that you previously had, all you have to do is follow the same steps. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.